Huh? Okay, ladies and gents, my name is Verxfin once again. When I was in quarantine, like everyone else is, if you haven't heard about the coronavirus, you're just lying to me. When I was in quarantine, when I got bored of uploading gaming videos to youtube.com/Verxfin or streaming these games often at twitch.tv/Verxfin and copying the new merch at teespring.com/Verx-shop, I decided to make another Lego machine. No, I'm not sorry. So yeah, the bad boy back there, it took like 2 days to make. It's actually way simpler than you think. The TP dispenser, because you know, TP is scarce. Oh yeah, by the way guys, we're almost at 1 like for the Lego ATM machine, so as soon as it gets there, I'm going to be uploading the setup video, so expect that kind of soon. Oh, and by the way, it's clinically proven that if you don't like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, then you'll step on a Lego every time you take a step. So do it. I think that's all, actually. Whoa. Whoa.